Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Yeah, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So here's been the phone number before, and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. Okay, so just flap the wings like this to release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, very nice at this SIM tray is that you can insert two SIM cards if you want at the same time next to a micro SD card. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the center. So this is how it should look like then. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. It has the first position here. I don't know why, but it's like that. So also missing corner on missing corner. So same thing. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Goes here to the last position. Fix it well. So this is how it should look like then. Of course, you can use it also with just one SIM card. So it doesn't matter, one or two. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay. And if you're ready with it, just put your SIM tray into the SIM slot and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.